based on the files that I have here, is roughly a tenth of the videos that I have here. I have 250 gig here. So you can fit 100 academic lectures, 150. Good, right? That's the equivalent of 3 courses already. Now what happens when I tell you by 2019, what year do we have right now? 2010. By 2019, okay, consumers will be able to buy an iPod-like device. So it's mobile, okay, it's maybe a 4 or 5 inch screen that can fit 85 years worth of video. Oh, what's the O for? What is the O? Disbelief? Huh? Excited? What? Reflect on it for 10 seconds. What will you do? Okay? If you had a device where you can fit 80 years worth of video, will you still go to the classroom? Yes, you will, but for a different purpose already. Right? So that's 9 short years away. Before you know it, you will have the devices that would already store 5 years, 10 years, and then all of a sudden 80 years. And we're not prepared for it.